Hi friends, so today we will be making a DIY protein treatment using coconut oil, honey, Greek yogurt, one ripe banana, and an avocado. All in all, you'll be mashing the banana and avocado together smoothly. Banana is rich in potassium and helps moisture retention. The avocado adds a healthy fat and also strengthens your hair. You will add 1 tablespoon of honey, which also helps with moisture and helps with shine. And then the 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt contains protein to help repair and strengthen your hair. And of course, the coconut oil adds moisture and seals in your cuticles. If you don't have coconut oil, you can always use olive oil. And then I also added some grapeseed oil to my mixture, and then I mash it up for a couple of minutes so it could be as smooth as possible. All right guys, so I just finished pre-pooing and shampooing my hair. We're gonna go in with the DIY protein mask. I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, because I've tried the Cardi B hair mask before. Maybe because that had mayo and egg, so it was a little bit more liquidy. This one is a little bit thick because of the avocado, and it didn't really have much liquid to it. So let's just see. I'm gonna give you guys my first impression. As always, let's part my hair. My hair feels so soft. I just hope that when it's time for me to rinse this mask out, it doesn't give me any trouble and I don't have no leftover chunky pieces of avocado or banana in my head. I really shouldn't though, because I mashed it well. So let's just hope for the best. Let's mash it again for good luck. It's not as appealing, but the benefits, y'all, it does not feel good in my hand. Oh my God, what am I getting myself into? Okay, I mean, it's making the curls pop. Banana has such a strong smell, it's crazy. Got a little single-stranded knot. Let's just cut that off. All right, so I'm not gonna be too heavy-handed like how I would be with my deep conditioner, because I just wanna make sure that I have enough to distribute on my whole head. But so far, I mean, it's not bad. I feel like my curls are starting to pop, so that's a good sign. It's looking really good, so let me just do the rest of my head. Now with this mask, you want to add it on damp hair, and if your hair isn't fully damp, you can always use water from your spray bottle. This mask helps nourish and strengthen your hair, especially if you have high porosity hair like myself. Being high porosity, your hair tends to absorb moisture very quickly, but also loses it just as fast. So using protein occasionally can help benefit your hair to rebuild its shaft. Using protein too often can also make your hair very stiff and brittle, so a balance is very necessary. So using like a deep conditioner after this can be very key in your process, which is something that I did after. Now I know there's a lot of controversy on putting food in your hair, but this mask is pretty balanced if you ask me. It has a light protein from the Greek yogurt, but also tons of moisture from the honey, from the banana, from the avocado, and also from the oils that I use. This shouldn't be bad to do at least once a month. The only difference I would make next time is to blend it up, because there was still a little bit of chunks left in my hair, but majority of it did come out after using the deep conditioner. But my curls, my hair looked and felt amazing, I can't even lie, and the shedding and breakage definitely minimized after doing this treatment. I did keep this protein treatment in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. Some signs that you need a protein treatment is definitely weak or fragile strands. So if your hair feels weak, easily tangled, or breaks with minimal tension, then it's most likely that you need a strengthening protein treatment. Also, like I said, I've experienced a little bit of shedding and breakage more than usual, so I knew that I needed a protein treatment. But yeah, I'm really obsessed with how my curls look after. I feel like they look really hydrated and defined. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.